Hello and welcome to Marco on Markets. This channel is for educational purposes only and shares my personal opinions and investment process. Nothing in this video should be taken as financial product advice or a recommendation to buy or sell any investment. Always do your own research and consider obtaining advice from a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Good morning. It's 10th of August 2026, 9:55 a.m. That's a Monday. Hope you had a good weekend. I'll just start off with the market indicator this morning. It's expected to open up 0.35% higher. We'll just have a look at the market from over the weekend. So the S&P 500 was up 0.62% on Friday night's trade and up 0.28% for the Dow Jones. Nasdaq was up 1.3%. I'll just quickly update my portfolio view. I'll just have a look at the indicators. Currently, we've got these three trades on plus the long-term one. So Commonwealth Bank, which we brought all these on Friday, Commonwealth, Coles and Westpac. I did have them on 1% on Friday. They didn't quite get there. Coles got very close, but we didn't quite make it. So I have readjusted the pricing to go for the 2% margin. We'll just make sure they were in the queue to be amended on Friday, but they didn't quite get there. So we should have a position on a 181 and 5 cents. So just make sure that that's updated. 181 and 5. So it must be up the top here. Yep, that's updated there. Then we've got Coles at 24.52. That was very close to getting 1% on Friday. So depth 24.52. There we are. We're in that bundle. And the last one is Westpac. And that one's at 38.80. 38.80. Yep, so we've got that orange gem in that bundle as well. So all those have updated either this morning. I did check them over the weekend and they were still in the queue. So we'll just have a look if the market's opened now. It's 9:58 a.m. Just having a look at the indicators. So Commonwealth looks like it might drop by $1 or so. Coles will drop by 17 cents, and the other one is Westpac. That looks like it's going to drop by about 70 cents or so. So I'll do a refresh and let's see how the market opens. It still hasn't opened. Right, I might just quickly update this portfolio view here. I'll add these three positions. I'm just going to copy them across. Just say I've got all my additional information. So this is Commonwealth there, that's Coles, and that's Westpac. And the date I purchased was the 7th on all three. So I've had them for 3 days now. The quantities, this is the fictitious quantities based on the $40,000. The market price is currently, I'll grab that. Let's get those. They should be open now. Right, market's opened in the red. So yeah, all those positions are down. Westpac down 3.5%, Commonwealth down 1.1%, and Coles down 0.35%. So I'll just update these live prices in this portfolio viewer. 176 for Commonwealth, and Coles is 24.10. Okay, my cost prices were, I'll just grab these ones here. They might actually not include the fee, so I'll do that with the fee. Divide by that. Radio, target cells are these prices here. So these prices here. Okay, I think we're good to go. So we've got Commonwealth currently is down 0.7%. Coles is currently up 0.48%, and Westpac is currently down 3.63%. And then our targets are here in this column here, and the percentage that we need to get our full margin is here. So Commonwealth needs to go up by 2.86%, Coles 1.74%, and Westpac 6%. So that's a good demonstration of how things can change just in a day. So 6%, it's probably unlikely to sell this week. 1.75, that's possible. We'll just see what the market's doing. Usually it does bounce around on open, quite a significant amount. Westpac's still down 3.35%, Commonwealth down 1.6%, Coles down 0.7%. So we'll just have a look at the market today and see what that looks like on open. So we've got this drop. It's showing as 0.9% down. The indicator was indicating that it would actually open up 0.35% higher, so it's a little bit out. Excuse me. Okay, we'll have a look at the not the All Ordinaries, the ASX 200, and we'll see what the biggest movers there are. So in the negative, we've got 4DX, which is 4D Medical. That's down 3.79%. That's been on the biggest mover list quite a few times in the last week. So News Corp is down 3.53%. Westpac is down 2.66%. Okay, so that's improved a bit. It was down 3.5 before, so it's coming back a little bit, which is nice. We've got EVT Limited, which is a leisure and recreation. That's down 2.98%. And then we got Tabcorp down 2.8%. They do casinos and gaming. What was the news on the weekend? Yeah, the government here in Australia is currently trying to ban ads and incentives and all that stuff, which may impact on, I guess, their turnover and profit in the end. And let's look at the market leaders. Okay, so we got car.com. They do car sales. That's up 8.59%. Actually, that's just refreshed up to 10.84%. So that's quite a big increase. It's not one that I normally watch, so I just want to have a look at their chart from the last sort of 3 months just to get a feel for what's going on there. Okay, it's been going sideways for a long time, so okay. If I have a look at the 3-year view, they have come down since July last year. So in the last 12 months, it has decreased by about 28%. Has been further down than that, as far as 46%. And it's improved today for some reason. I'll just have a quick look at their announcements. Okay, so they've released their financial results for F26, FY26 today. I haven't reviewed that, but I would say it's positive if the market has reacted like this. Okay, so yeah, I think it's the start of reporting season this week as well. So we've got Ora Banda Mining, which is gold, that's up 5.97. They were on the list a couple of times last week as well, so they're having a pretty good run of late. Yep, we can see that there on the graph. Treasury Wine Estates up 7.37. That's also on the improve, so that's gone sideways for a fairly long time and down in a downward trend. So now it seems to be bucking that trend. So that's up 7.37%. Alcoa, that's mining, that's up 4.7. Actually, that could be materials rather than, oh no, they do air bauxite, aluminium products, refining and manufacturing. Okay, so I think that's under the material banner rather than mining. Apologies for that. And then Resolute Mining, which is gold, is up 5.66%. All right, we'll just have one more look at my list. And then we'll have a look at a broader list. So yeah, Westpac's still down 3.5%. Accent Group is down 1.4%. That's one of my long-term holdings there. All the banks look like they're down now. Commonwealth's retreated. It was down worse than that earlier, so it's down 0.85. And where's my coals? 0.87% down. So it's a pretty red day there. I'm going to have a look at a broader list that I have. See what's on that. We've got some technology stocks leading the way. Xero up 2.47%. Catapult, that's a sports product monitoring product. It's a technology stock, essentially 1.9% up. REA Group, that's realestate.com, is 1.82% up, and WiseTech Global is up 1.59%. So yeah, technology stocks are having a good morning so far. And then on the negative, there's nothing really new there. We discussed Tabcorp earlier. Other than that, it's all the banks. Let's have a look at the bank list. Yep, so Westpac's leading the way in the negative by 3.19% now, and Bank of Queensland actually has positive of 1.82%. So looks like it's a negative day for the banks today. We'll see how the week holds out. I think that's a wrap for me. Have a great Monday and a great week ahead. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. Thanks very much. Have a good day.